Here at Hanwha, we are relaunching our Wisenet Professional Certification training program. It is a 2.5-day intensive certification to take a dealer to that next level.
Our class is called Wisenet Professional Certification Training, and that's what our goal is. We're going to send professionals out into the field, Wisenet professionals. We know the best thing is really to get their hands on the product, so an in-person class really works well.
So it's really to make the change from poking your way around and just figuring it out to where they really know the end-to-end product, from the cameras to the recorders to the VMS.
We're arming the technicians with the ability to adapt video into any environment. They're going to walk away with a really great education on these products.
They get a certificate to really separate just an installer from a true integrator who's providing a custom solution for the end user.
You got to start no matter what with the image. We'll go to software, we'll go back to the camera, we'll show the relationship between the two and what you can do in the settings in the camera, and then how you also can access those settings in the software, and you can speed your jobs up.
In 10 minutes, we went from a bare Windows machine to adding my cameras, licensing, recording, and then being able to then see my AI, see my analytics, how quick and easy it is.
One of the biggest tools that we have, and the main tool, is called Wisenet Device Manager. You know, once a technician knows it, we always tell them, this will be your best friend.
When the job is done, the technician now knows that the cameras are installed properly and done right the first time. So at the end of the day, we're trying to show our dealers how Hanwha is a world-class surveillance manufacturer, and we're discussing things about our supply chain, about cybersecurity, about how we're not just a camera manufacturer, but really end-to-end solutions, and showing how we respond to customer feedback, to what our dealers and customers are looking for, to really provide solutions.